Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on Friday, we had this big engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level. So I definitely would be recommending shorts right now. Whether this right here really is the end of a correction and this is going to go down and take out the previous lows or not is the question. It's been a very rangy market and it could continue to be a very rangy market. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for shorts, especially if we get some sort of a 1, 2, 3 way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce. Now, if we do get some sort of a break of trend at a Fibonacci retracement level, then maybe we could start looking for longs at that point. But at this point, the higher time frames are definitely down. The weekly's down, the daily's down. Shorter time frames, we should be looking for shorts within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.